In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get colours from a photo here in Canva. Now, there's two ways that we can actually do this. One way, Canva will already pull the colours from this photo, or the second way is that we can use the eyedropper tool. Now, let me go ahead and show you both ways. If we click onto the photo, we can then come up to the colour palette just here. Now, if we click on one of these colours and come to the left-hand side, we can in fact see photo colors. Now, because I have multiple things on this canvas, we have multiple just here. But take a look just here. We can see this is the photo and this is some of the colors from this photo. Now, if we go back one, because there's some colors in the photo that this didn't quite pick up, what we want to do, in fact, let me remove the background just like that, because we'll do it on this background. So if I click onto the color, then come over to this little plus icon just here, where we can add a new color. If we click on there, we're going to see this eyedropper tool. Now, if we click on that, we can then choose any color from this photo. So let's go ahead and choose this color just here. We hover over it, we click on it, and now the color from this photo, from this flower, has been applied to the background. So nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to get colours from a photo here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.